This is a southord padlock shim. I got this one from ukbumpkeys.com. Really quick and easy way for opening a padlock. As you can see, standard padlock, locked up. Yeah, all you simply do, put the padlock shim on the inside of the lock, push the padlock down, push the shim in, release the top, it's your padlock open. Job done. Show you that one more time. Put the shim on the inside, slide that down the groove. You can just see that groove there on the inside. Push that down, push the padlock down, push the shim down, release the padlock open. It's as easy as that. I've had no experience with locks. It's about my 4th attempt with a padlock. I've had success on every attempt. You don't need any knowledge to be able to do that. You can be opening padlocks within 2 minutes of opening the pack. Get yours today, ukbumpkeys.com.